Namaste. I'm Sandhya Sitaram, Director of Zeal Education based in Ahmedabad. Zeal Education is an organization that works with school teachers and students in various aspects of science and maths learning. We often hear about teaching correct science and maths, but our emphasis lies in teaching science and maths correctly. Needless to say, the year 2020 has been a difficult one for all of us, especially for students and teachers. So in this video, I'd like to spend a few minutes to share with you how Zeal Education has been helping schools deal with the current challenges of online interactions. Our involvement with teachers is under the name Teacher Interaction Programs. Our programs are not teacher training programs, they are teacher interaction programs. Teachers know their subject well, and so we don't need to train them in the subject matter, but they do need handholding in terms of making the lessons exciting, of making students discover the knowledge by themselves rather than being taught, designing curriculum, experiments, games, activities, projects, methods of evaluation, helping them design and plan, say, a play in maths or science for their annual day, or activities for a maths or science exhibition. So in short, Zeal Education adds value in multiple ways to facilitate learning in the best possible manner. In addition, during the interactions, teachers come out with specific problems they face on how to teach a concept or how to deal with student queries. And together, we try and find the best possible solutions. All these actually have been taking place virtually since the lockdown and successfully too. So to give schools a first-hand experience of our methods, I'd like to offer 2 free teacher interaction sessions for interested schools. In addition to the teachers programs, we also have some wonderful online workshops for students, like model making in science, maths and astronomy, learning by doing experiments, solving puzzles in mathematics, and so on, and also designed at 2 different levels on the age groups, based on the age groups, starting from grade 5. All material that is needed for the workshop is couriered to the participants in advance. Most of these workshops are conducted on Zoom and last for about 10 sessions. They are interactive and not lecture based, and all the participants are expected to keep their videos on so as to increase the effectiveness of the workshop. As I said earlier, these are online and therefore distances are not a constraint at all. So we've been having students participating from all over the country. Now, how does a school gain from this? Those schools that publicize and recommend our workshops to their students receive a credit of 15% of the workshop fees paid by the students. This credit, therefore, can be used by the schools for their teacher interaction programs. Kindly share this video and get in touch with us on my WhatsApp number that will follow soon. We could then take it forward through emails and other means. So thank you for listening to me and for your valuable time. Have a safe, peaceful, and happy New Year. Namaste.